What's going on, guys? Thanks for tuning in. I'm Core. This is my 2009 Honda Civic Si, and today we are going to be installing a carbon fiber hood that is OEM painted taffeta white. I got this from my buddy. He didn't have use for it anymore, so I thought, why not? Let's put this on. Alright, let's check it out. I probably should have put this on first. Gosh, this so freaking light.
J.A.T.F.B.S.
Alright, guys, got it, the hood on. I just got done straightening it out. There's a little bit more gap over here than on the driver's side, but no, I mean, it's pretty damn close. I'm not really gonna care much. The only issue I have is right here, doesn't line up as well. I don't know if you guys can see it, but on the driver's side, you can definitely tell. Just goes down a little bit more, but you know, for what it is, I don't really care. You know, this isn't a track, or this isn't a show car or anything. I'm gonna be building it for a track car, so yeah,
that's about it. Everything's done. Everything's good. So, nothing too bad here. Before I was having a little noise when I pushed it down, but it's all good now. Let's pop it and check on the inside here. Whoa, so the light. But yeah, there was some noise, so I just electrical taped it. No more noise. Yeah, I also had to adjust these to raise it, lower it, whatever. But yeah, the alignment seems okay for now. Here's it on the inside here. All right, that's it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you on the road course.